everyone, my name is Anjali Mimi Anak Young. I'm a first year student of International Economics. Today, I would like to bring you to one of the famous tourist attractions in Pau, which is Fairy Cave Nature Reserve. Let's go! Fairy Cave Nature Reserve is in Pau town, which is about 40 minutes drive from Kuching. This place is a great place for those who love nature and caves. It is also an ideal place to bring your family for a little hiking while exploring the interior limestone caves on your own. Upon reaching the registration counter, a man will assist you before you start your journey. You need to watch a video of the do's and don'ts when entering the caves. After finish watching, you'll be asked to register your name and IC number. The entrance fee is 1 ringgit per person. However, it is free entrance for those aged 18 years old and below. So let's go! It will definitely be an enjoyable experience for kids, as there is also plenty of information regarding the caves like stalagmites, stalactites, limestone and many more. Oh, you may need to climb some flight of stairs before reaching the entrance of the caves. But trust me, you won't regret it after you have reached the top. Here, you'll be able to see the breathtaking scenery of nature. Just by looking at it, you'll feel relaxed and peaceful. This place is also great to take pictures. So, don't forget to take photos here if you are planning to visit, okay? Before planning on visiting the cave, be sure to wear proper outdoor attire and shoes for safety reasons. You are also encouraged to bring your torchlight in order to enter the caves. It is also not advisable to enter the caves during rain. Be careful if you are a tall person and always be alert to the signboard provided. You won't get lost as there will be error signs provided throughout the journey, so just follow the signs, okay? Although some of the cave's interior is dark, it should not be a problem if you have a torchlight with you. There is also a proper pathway and concrete stairs throughout the length of the cave, so worry not, it is easy and safe not only for adults but also for kids to explore. If you're exhausted from climbing up the stairs, the cave provides the visitors a place to sit and relax before you continue the journey of exploring the cave. If you are done exploring, to go back to the Fairy Cave access tower, just follow the signboards. Take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching my short video of us exploring the limestone caves. Till next time, bye!